New for you this morning, you've probably seen the headlines about Bitcoin, right? It's been going way up, skyrocketing to an all-time high after the election. Crypto is kind of a new type of currency, gaining a lot of momentum and popularity in the investments world.
Yeah, it can be kind of confusing, though.
Yes.
Not a lot of people, I don't fully understand it. So what does it all mean, and can you really make money off of it? Well, Jamie Warren joins us live now, and Jamie, experts are saying buyer beware.
Right. Good morning, guys. We know that so many families out there are looking for more ways to make money right now, but this way it is a little complicated. There are risks involved. It is all digital, and it is not backed by the government. Now, for those who have already invested maybe before the election and they did so the right way, they could be making a lot of money this morning if they decide to sell. That is because President-elect Donald Trump has been very pro-crypto. So after he won the election, Bitcoin, it went up. As of this morning, it's now over $90,000. I spoke with a lawyer who represents clients investing in it. He says he has seen people make fortunes, but he has also seen people lose millions. A few things to note. He says it's unclear if it will keep going up. It is high now, so if you hadn't already invested before the spike, it will cost you, unless you think it's going to go up even more, which it could, but we just don't know right now. This is different from stocks. It's not publicly traded. There are no protections or regulations, which means you are at risk of fraud or being scammed out of your money, because he says there are a lot of bad actors.
What do people need to know in order to protect their money if they go into something like this?
You have to do your due diligence, number one. I think number two is you have to deal with reputable coins and reputable companies. The chances if you lose it to a hacker, for example, of getting it back, it's very unlikely. It's not like a normal banking transaction where if there's fraud, the bank makes you whole again.
And if you haven't done a lot of investing in your life, he's equating this to basically going to Vegas and gambling away your money. That is a strong metaphor, but that is really how he wanted to drive this point home. He says you will want to go to a legal expert or a financial expert for some advice if this is something that you do really want to get into. Now, he is anticipating more regulations to be coming, possibly sometime next year, now that the election is over. He says that is going to be good news for those who have already invested or looking to invest in the future. For now, reporting live in Phoenix this morning, Jamie Warren, ABC 15, Arizona.